In this video, I'm going to show you some tips and first steps to take advantage of Abaqus simulations to run studies and analysis for first investigation about the post-fracture behavior of glass. Hello everybody, I'm Chiara Bedon from the University of Trieste in Italy, and I'm excited to introduce you to a new package about the post-fracture analysis of glass components in Abaqus. This package is the best solution for early-stage engineers and researchers that want to address or investigate more in depth the post-fracture performance of glass components, by taking advantage of different simulation strategies and different performance indicators. If you are looking to take experience and advantage from these topics, I'm sure you will choose this package. But let's focus more in detail on the topics and contents of this package. First, you start with the introduction of some basic properties of glass and post-breakage, post-fracture behavior of glass. We will focus also on some literature experiments that we will use to run these different kinds of simulations. Afterwards, we move more in detail on some key performance indicators and modeling strategies to reproduce those experiments. You learn how to characterize not only material properties but also connectors, interactions, and so on. You will learn also how to predict the post-fracture parameters, vibration frequency, residual capacity, and so on, when focusing on simple glass components. We will use 3 different modeling strategies. Remember that this course is designed to be hands-on, so you will have access to input files, step-by-step tutorials, and supporting literature, both for the experimental references and for the numerical simulations that have been carried out at the time of the experiments. Another important aspect is that you be able to reproduce the same modeling strategies, but also to adapt the same models to different configurations of technical interest. If you're ready to start this adventure, don't wait further. Enjoy this package today. Click the link below to get started. Also, don't forget to follow my LinkedIn and Instagram accounts. Be aware to subscribe to the channel for more updates. You will find different tutorials on the topic of glass structures and components. Together, I'm sure we'll explore different topics and strategies that you will find very helpful for glass analysis. Finally, let me know your opinion about this package. Feel free to ask me any question. I'm here to help you. Thanks and enjoy!